The Minister of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation of Timor Leste, Bendito dos Santos Freitas, delivered remarks today at the 40th anniversary of the United Nations Declaration on the Right to Development and High-Level Dialogue and Regional Outlook on the ASEAN, Declaration on Promoting the Right to Development and the Right to Peace towards Realizing Inclusive and Sustainable Development, held at Palm Spring Hotel, Fatuhada, Dili.
ASEAN has established an important regional foundation for advancing this agenda. The adoption of 2025 of the ASEAN Declaration on Promoting the Right to Development and the Right to Peace towards realizing inclusive and sustainable development represents an important milestone to our region. I commend HR, particularly HR Malaysia, for its leadership in advancing this important regional commitment.
The events bring together representatives from ASEAN member states and relevant institutions to discuss the promotion to the right to development and right to peace.
There could be no more fitting setting for us to reconvene and consider now the next steps to advance our shared vision for the realization of the complementary rights to development and to peace, as recognized in the ASEAN Human Rights Declaration, other regional instruments, and the recent ASEAN Declaration on the Right to Development, Right to Peace, adopted in 2025.
As well as ways to achieve inclusive and sustainable development in the region. The consultation provides an opportunity for ASEAN member states and other stakeholders to share experience, discuss progress and challenges, and identify opportunities to strengthen the implementation of the right to development and the right to peace.
40 years since the adoption of the United Nations Declaration on the Right to Development, and following the ASEAN leaders' adoption in October 2025 of the ASEAN Declaration on promoting the right to development and the right to peace towards realizing inclusive and sustainable development.
The discussions are also expected to contribute to an ASEAN regional outlook and follow-up actions in line with the ASEAN 2045, our shared future vision.